This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Bunny Gnome belly box. So I have all my pieces laid out here, and this box, unlike others, you'll want to put your box together first because some of these pieces are covering the tabs that are on this box. So we do want to first put the box together. So I'm just folding everything on the score marks. And then I'm going to glue the box. So the box is super simple. The sides glue here to the front. You just want to line that straight edge up because his arms do hang over. So you have a straight edge here to line up the side of your box. Do that on both sides. And these are the tabs that this inside piece is going to cover. And glue, we're just going to glue these tabs down. These tabs are not covered, these tabs, because you'll be looking at this box from the front. These front tabs will not be noticeable. So we will only be covering the back tabs. So the first piece you want to put in is this one, and it just slides right in. Now this one makes up his clothes. So if you wanted the hat and the clothes to be a different color or a different pattern, you could cut this out differently. So that slides right in and fits side to side. Just glue that down. And go ahead and put his hands on. Okay, so I'm just going to lay his hat here so we can see, and I'm going to work on it upside down so that that box is not in my way. So I'm just going to lay these here so we can see how these pieces, so your beard, it lines up right up there, right under the rim of your hat, and goes all the way down. So let's put our beard in. You want to make sure it's tucked just under that brim of the hat, but not too far up. There. Okay. And then the face comes in here. So now we can go ahead and we can glue our ears down. Now I reversed my pattern, so you'll notice when you get yours that the ear bends the other way. I used textured cardstock and I forgot to flip it on my mat, flip the design on my mat so that the textured part of my paper is out. So I reversed it after I cut it. So that's why my ear is going off to the left instead of to the right. So the face fits right in the curve of the hat. You'll just slide that up in there. It's right on there. The mustache, I'm going to use some foam tape. Pop it up a little. I don't want the tip of my glue bottle to dry out, so I have to put my needle in there. And the two corners of the beard, of the mustache, just come up to the tip of the hat. And then your nose is going to glue. There we are. I'm going to turn them back around, and I'm going to use some foam tape here on the feet. And there you have the Gnome Bunny belly box. Thank you for joining me.